of the Valk 3 Elite. Okay, let me take myself a pair of scissors to unbox this box. Okay, I've got some scissors. Let's just cut this thing open. Yeah! Someone's in the door, but I'm not going to let them in because the door is locked. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, Blizzard's icon is gone. RIP. Let me just zoom out a bit. Yep. This is better. Just ignore the sound in the background because that's my little sister. Wow. See something. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is Blizzard's premium unboxing experience. First we'll see what else. Okay, I've never had any of these bags before, so that's really rare for me. Some other stuff, which I don't care about. Some lube, that's great. And the box. Okay, so these boxes are nowadays moving to the more iPhone style boxes, like premium. And now look at that, it's reflecting of the light. Alright, let's do the iPhone type unboxing. Come down. Ooh, that looks awesome. Wait. Wow. Oh my god. Alright, let's just take this thing open. And first we'll see the accessories. That would be a good one if this was an excess box. Keep that order. Alright, let's keep this in the order. C, A, B, C. Oh, they're in order. Okay, first we're going to do the D because it doesn't look like the other ones. Alright, what's in here? Okay, some cards. The Valk 3 Elite card. Max Valk. One of my idols. Max Valk's face with the passport record which Felix brought. A note from Max, which is going to be, I'll just leave it for later. And then some stuff which I already know about. Okay, let's see. What's in here? The whatever system. The solution thingy. Stickers, blah blah blah. A nice cleaning cloth and another sticker. Wait, I think there are supposed to be some stickers in here. Oh yeah, there are some stickers. Just move this to the back over there. There are these two stickers which I was talking about. Okay, this is a completely messed up table. I'll have to clean this up. Oh my god. Everything over there. I'm just gonna clean this part. Wow. Okay. I just cut this part. Alright, I've cleaned up the mess. Let's look at these boxes. What's in here? I hope there's no tape because I don't have any scissors. Oh, wait. These are the magnetic center caps. Come out. Whoa, this looks cool. Look at that. That's the strongest, I guess. Yeah, that is the strongest. Keep this thing over here. Let's see the B box. I think these are supposed to be another magnet, which is the weakest. I guess. Yep, my guess was right. Come out. That's what he did a good job at packaging it. Alright, so these are the magnetic center caps, which you can change. I'll probably put in the strong ones once I've got the cube out of this GAN type of box. And this is the last thing. I think this is the GES. No, not GES. Similar to the GES nuts thingy. Wait. Adjustable nuts. Yeah. These are the adjustable nuts. Whoa. I'll put in the light ones once I've got the cube out. Wow, these are actually a lot tighter to push than the ones on the GAN cube. Alright, first, now let's get this thing. Oh my god. Yeah. That actually looks like the I box. Remember that? Yeah, that's the I box. GAN I box. Remove it. Like the GAN I box, keep it over there. And now this thing in plastic wrap. More stuff in plastic wrap. Oh my god. I have seen most people like crush this thing, but I'm not going to. Oh wait, there's some lube on the outside. Oh, okay, so we do need a cleaning cloth. Wait, there's a cleaning cloth. Yep. I'll just take out this cleaning cloth thingy because it's. So wait, that's a lot of. Wait, you can just see. There's a lot of lubricant on the outside which I'm going to clean with this thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've cleaned the cube. It's still a bit oily, so let's get into the first ones. Oh, wait, what? This one is so good. Wow. Oops. Wow. Okay, we'll see corner cutting. Reverse. Around over there. Like this. Wow. There's a lot of lubricant in this thing. I think it's on the loose one right now. Okay. They're quite easy to remove. There are clear ones, clear magnets in. The factory settings are clear magnets. Oh yes, it's clear. I think I'll have to put in the strong GES thingy. Alright, I think I should do some more salts. But first I'll put in the strong magnets and see what it's like. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change this magnet thing. So after you take it, which is easy, you have to put in the strong ones. And then you have to just repeat that about 6 times. I'm going to time myself doing that for about 6 times. Where's my timer? Oopsie. I think I forgot to keep my... Oh yes, here it is. All this mess. Okay. So we're going to see how much time it takes me to remove all it and change it to the strong one. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, next is green. Okay, so it's quite easy. It's quite easy. Green. Now this one. Oh, oops. Alright, now the blue. Now the orange, yep, orange. And now I think, wait, did you change the red or yes we did? And now yellow. Someone is trying to come in. Oh, that was nice. 51 seconds. Alright, so you can change it in 51 seconds, which is not that bad. Oh, wow. That is strong. You can feel the magnetic bump over there. It's so cool because not only is there friction between these two, there's also friction between the center and edge. So that makes it super awesome. Let's see the corner cutting again. Okay, let's try and do one solve on this. I'll just keep these things back into the empty box. I'll be right back. Let's do a solve on this thing. It feels super nice. Okay, inspection time. Alright. Wait. very bad solve. I'll do some solve. Watching that solves, I'll just do a quick voiceover for this. So the Valk Elite M is pretty good. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's awesome. But it's just too oily, and I mean, if you take it out of the box, it's it's overshooting. What I want to say is the word is overshooting. It's overshooting a lot. So that's one of the things I don't like. Plus, if you say it is first solve, it's really bad time. It's 31. Wait, look. Yeah, look, 31. More than 31. It's 30, 34. So bad, right? So that's the thing. It was that was bad because it was overshooting a lot. So if you get this cube, make sure you have a cleaning cloth at home to wipe the whole surface of this cube. Plus, you should have exact turning for this because it's not going to be perfect until you break it in. And don't try the strong springs. It's gonna be so hard. Just look at the solves. 25. 28. That's also a bad time. Considerably bad time. Hear this noise with my cube? There is no voiceover. Actually, I can't say what I want to say. I mean, I can't just say this cube is bad, right? I'll probably never need that loop for this cube. Then when I buy it, I'll probably need it when this cube gets dry. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be past me versus present me, and I think there'll be another video called 500 solves in one session. Crazy. Okay, this is the last solve. Let's see how bad I do. What time? 18. Wow. Okay, bye. I think bye. Fine, so this is the end card where I talk about the cube and where the video basically ends. So what I want to say about this cube is it's great. It's feeling so good, and actually this voice has been recorded about like 6 hours after I recorded the videos. So for 6 hours and the cube has been in my hand doing solves and solves and solves, and I figured out this just needs a bit of more breaking in. So you have to solve a lot to get the lube out because it was so over lubed at the beginning. It still overshoots, like, yeah, it still does overshoot, but that's a fine thing. You can adjust with that. It's not like that much of overshooting, but it's good. So should you buy this cube? Yes. And if you're going for the Thunderclap V3M instead of this, please don't. Just this is the best according to today's standards. Yeah, it's beating the Ganexus because this thing has a better magnet adjusting system and plus is less expensive. I mean, 4,000 rupees for a cube on the Ganexus, it's just not worth it. This one is just for 3,000. I got it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Subscribe because I'm gonna be having 2 challenges with this cube. The first will be me versus present me versus past me, and the second will be doing 500 solves in one session. So stay tuned for that. Bye.